I am right now in my first year PhD, Department of Management, and last year I was finishing off my Master's in Business Innovation and Entrepreneurship. I also am the founder of MapHer Limited, which is a company that helps ambitious women to find their unique strengths and leverage that in achieving their business, career, personal goals. I've always tried to summarize Pioneer Programme using the acronym Pioneer itself, and I always say to people that I learned from Pioneer how to pitch with precision, which is to be able to share my business idea in a minute or less. I also learned how to be more innovative and how important innovation is in the enterprise I build and the profitability of my enterprise. I learned how to seek opportunities and to not necessarily make them complicated, but to be able to exploit them properly by knowing the different parts of my business. Pioneer provided me with an extensive N for network. So with the network I built in Pioneer, with both Pioneer students and even the entrepreneurs that attended the Pioneer program, it has enhanced me as a person. E will be for exposure for my business. So Pioneer, I put my name forward for the Pioneer competition, and in participating in the competition I was actually able to fine-tune my business idea, and also what I found was that with that came exposure for my business, and I've had people that were at the Pioneer contest even call me up to offer me advice and almost mentor me, you could say, for my business. And then the other E was learning entrepreneurial tools, particularly the business model canvas. I mean, one page, your business, all in one page. I mean, nothing gets better. So Pioneer exposed me to some entrepreneurial tools that I might not have used before. And lastly, R helped me to build resilience. As an entrepreneur, it's not always going to be good times. You're going to have bad times as well. And hearing the stories of some of the entrepreneurs that attended Pioneer helped me to build the resilience and strength that I would need in the future for my business. So I was always going to do a PhD, but I wasn't sure what I wanted to focus on. And with the Pioneer experience and also being, I was the intern with the Mayor's Entrepreneur Program while I was doing Pioneer as well. My PhD is on entrepreneurial learning, and I'm finding more on how people can actually learn to be better entrepreneurs. So it has, I would say, impacted my career, and in terms of my business, giving me the best possible start to my business in terms of structure and networks. I'm doing my PhD and I didn't get the funding I wanted. So when Birkbeck announced the 2 positions for GTA, which was going to give full funding for the PhD, again, I came to the Birkbeck Careers and Enterprise team, and they helped me prepare my CV and do all the things that I needed to prepare me for the interview. So yeah, I have the funding today. So I guess they are the ones that put me in the PhD program, because with their help, I was able to have a good CV, prepare well, and I got the GTA role and therefore funding for my PhD for the next 3 years. My message to Santander will be thank you, Santander. I mean, with your partnership, we're able to put this program together. I believe that my Pioneer cohort was the biggest one yet. So there were so many students, which meant more people to learn from, to network, and even a very, very rich content. So thank you, Pioneer, to Santander for sponsoring the program and for supporting Birkbeck with all the things that you do to help us as students and also as budding entrepreneurs.